All right, hey you guys. So this is like my official second week of my marathon training for my half marathon, which is coming up in April. So with the training app that I showed you guys, it goes like 14 weeks. But I have when I first did it last week, it was 14 weeks. I'm sorry, it was 16 weeks total. The app is like 2 weeks off. So I don't want to say I have two like free weeks. I'll have like two slower weeks, but yeah, I will still be preparing. So I didn't really like do much in my first week. That's my fitness board. I got to update, but I really didn't do much in the first two. In the first week because it's goofy. Because like my schedule and whatever. So I did. I went to my gym. I did a class at my gym, and then what else did I do? I did a class at my gym, and then I did like one of my runs like through the Nike running app. And I only was able to get to the gym like once. I wasn't really able to do anything at home either. I just had other stuff I had to do, but I'm gonna make sure to like better prioritize things that I have to do. What else? Yeah, so this week, so today's Monday. I'm not going to the gym today. However, I'm going to do like other things to like better prepare myself. Of course, I'm eating healthier. I don't want to say necessarily well, cleaner. Let's just say I'm doing a better job like what I eat, how I eat. You got the proteins. I'll show you. I'll show you guys all that stuff in a little bit, like how I do my proteins, like how I'm eating. It's a little different right now because it's just a little different right now. So, but I will. You don't want the sandwich? Okay, you don't have to eat it. Um, and so yeah. Anyway, so that's that. So, like I said, today's a Monday. I'm watching Overcomer today. It helps with like to me the movie. If you haven't seen this by the Kendrick brothers, I'm sorry for the shakiness, y'all. My arm is. I'm on my phone and my arm is like hurting, but it's like consistency, perseverance, self-worth, confidence, like self-control, gives you a good cry. You really have to see the movie. But so that's what I'm watching because I'm like, what good is it for me to be yes, buddy? What okay, Elijah. Okay, listen. How many bites did you eat? Can you go eat 4 bites? Please. What about 2 bites? Yeah, so anyways, just this will be like a mashup of the week. So just keep watching. Okay, so Elijah just ran in the kitchen and just said, "Mom, I did it." And I'm just like, "Well, what did you do?" I knew it was because he ate. So he really did. He said, "I took 7 bites." I know he didn't take 7 bites. He probably only took 4 bites, but regardless. So I know y'all heard our little conversation, but he did end up eating some of the sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and like give him his chips and like his juice and all that other stuff. So okay, that's all. Bye. All right, we're gonna make this quick. Next day, today's Wednesday. About to go to the gym. Going a little later than I anticipated. I just really wasn't feeling it. So it's not as cold as it has been here lately. I think it's like 35 or something like that. But to me, like it's still cold. It's not windy. Like I can deal with the cold, but when it's windy and like lately our wind has really like been biting, like I don't want to do anything, but who does, right? So I'm going to the gym. I have to do one of my guided runs today. I think today is speed run. Like in the beginning, of course, your time and your distance is more so time. It's like it's shorter than, and then as you progress in the weeks, like it gets longer. So I believe today is 27 minutes. And like I said, it's a speed run, it's intervals. I'll put up like the picture, like what I have to do. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then I really don't have a set game plan. Honestly, I may just do like some arms or do like some strength or something like that. I just know I have to run, and I really didn't feel like running outside. Even though I run year round, I'm just not really in the mood to run outside today. So yeah, so that's where we are. And all right, so this is what I'm eating today for breakfast. Nothing major. This is the yogurt I'm going to be doing, and then ignore my table, y'all. I'm gonna chop up some of this banana. After that, I'm going to mix it with, well, I'm getting low. I have to make some more. This is a peanut butter honey. Is it honey? Yeah, peanut butter honey granola mix. What's in here? Like slithered almonds and walnuts. I think next month I'll probably add like some pecans to it. But yep, this will be my breakfast, and I am drinking hot tea. I know y'all like mine. It says bring me coffee and tell me I'm pretty, and that is my breakfast for today. All right, this is how it looks when I actually do it. And of course, like, I mix it in together. So I just chop up a whole banana, and then this is my granola. Some of it is burnt, but I will show you guys how I make it, and I'll post the recipe that I go by. Do that, watching my show Seventh Heaven. All right. It looks like well, depending on how my coat, it looks like I don't have a neck, but trust me guys, I have a neck, more than one on a bad day. But anyway, so I'm just leaving the gym. Really good workout. I did my run, and then as you saw, I did abs. I'm trying to focus more on abs. I have what you call dissected recti. We'll talk more about that in another video, but I'm in the process of closing the gap. I used to have like a 2.5 finger gap. Now it's like about 1.5 ish, and so my goal is to like close the gap as much as I can, as well as like strengthen my core. And it's not at the point like I need surgery or anything like that. Like, it's not that bad, but I do know, like, I told Ben and I told God, like, listen, I don't want no more kids. Okay, so I want to get the gap as closed as possible, because I don't want it to, like, I don't want to get pregnant and then it, you know, like, it expands even more, because like it's not tight, and then like my gap is bigger, and it just, yeah, when we like do that video, I'll like, you guys will understand more what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm leaving the gym. Because I went to the gym a little later today, because Josiah had physical therapy for his foot, and all right, BMW, don't you hit that car. Not my car, but it's another car. So I didn't go to the gym until like a little after 12. And so I did that, did the run. So after 1, I gotta go to the Dollar Tree. I gotta get some paper, because I have to do my granola bar. I ran out of granola bar. You guys saw what I ate this morning for breakfast, which was kind of weird because I didn't say nothing about it. I just like put the clip in. So I repent. But for breakfast, I had the that whole little situation that y'all saw. But I'm out of granola, and I need some more granola bar. Not granola bars, but my own granola. So I'm gonna go home. Well, first I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, get the paper, and then I'm gonna go home, make this cabbage and sweet potatoes for lunch/dinner, because I didn't cook dinner last night. So, but yeah, I guess that is all. Okay, I made it back home from the gym and Dollar Tree and all that other stuff, but This is something that was not even discussed, and I knew they were coming, I just didn't know when. I got some new headphones. Actually, I love these headphones. So these are like my favorite headphones. So okay, so to know Ben is to he's sitting right there on the couch. To know Ben is to know that he is like all things like technology, headphones, all that other stuff. So I used to have a pair of headphones and somebody lost them. It wasn't him, but they like grew legs and walked away after a run. And then so he bought me some new ones, which were these. Somehow I felt like I misplaced them or something like that. I honestly, I don't remember what happened with these. And then I have like little like small like little like ear. Okay, and then I have like these are J-Labs. They're like little small. They're small. They're not like, well, they're small. That's the left side. And they just sit in your ear like this. So like they're fine. I had no problem with them, but for me, I like the bass and I want to hear the sound when I'm running. So those are good for like every day. But these I really like these for like when I go running, because they have the over the ear tab, and so like they're like super secure in on my ears. And then they have a good bass quality. I'm not gonna sit up here talking about the specs and all the other stuff because I'm not like that person. And this is not a what's the word, like a review or anything like that. I'm just telling y'all that my replacements finally came in the mail. I can say with my other headphones that I had, they had the it was like the ability to like, you can still hear outside noise. So like you tap on them like so many times, you can still hear outside noise. With my other ones, I don't have that. I mean, like, it's okay. I don't have them turned up super loud when I'm working out, or if I'm at the gym, maybe, but even still, like, I'm just still mindful of my surroundings. So yeah, so these are my new headphones. I'm going to stop recording so I can take a picture to go with my thumbnail, and then we're going to make the granola, and that will be all for today, and then we'll do a check back in on Saturday. All right, I just got one thing to say. Don't be up here judging my bowl. Everybody has that one bowl that like does everything, and this is my one bowl that does everything. So do not judge my bowl. But so this is how I make my granola. So this is the oats that I'll be using. I don't have like natural peanut butter, so we're just going to use this one today. This is the peanut butter. Just some regular brown sugar. Oh gosh, not the sugar. Cinnamon. My honey that is almost gone. And these are the peanuts I'm going to be using today. The almonds, excuse me, and the walnuts. Let me tell you something. Running outside is a whole lot different from running indoors. The air is different.